Step 1. Check if the shower threshold is level using a spirit level or straight edge. If necessary, adjust the threshold until it is perfectly level. Step 2. Ensure wall jambs sit flat on wall. Mark drilling points with a positioning tool. Drill a 6mm hole. Insert a wall anchor and fasten the aluminum profile with wall-mounted track and cap. Step 3. Measure and cut the bottom track to ensure it fits the size of your bathroom. Step 4. Fit positioning blocks on both sides, plastic surface inward. Secure with screws. Mark bottom center, mount the block, and apply glass glue at joints. Step 5. Measure and cut the top track to ensure it fits the size of your bathroom. Step 6. Fit the roller component onto the glass door panel. First, attach the panel to the top track, keep rollers moving smoothly, and finally add the track side covers. Step 7. Secure the top track in place after aligning it with the side wall frames, and make sure the door panel's bottom lines up with the bottom track. Step 8. Install the stainless steel handle securely. Step 9. Apply the glass sealant and leave it for 24 hours.